Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to grill a piece of cobia. We're going to do it in some aluminum foil to hold the juices. We'll put a little butter on top. This little spray butter works fine. I'm going to place our cobia on the top of that fillet. And then in a small bowl, we want to mix about 3 tablespoons of butter, melted. We have about the juice from about 3 fresh lemons. And then we add 2 tablespoons of oregano. After mixing that very, very good, because the oregano has to really blend in with the butter. We want to top it about half of our mixture on top. After we top this off with half of our mixture, we're going to end up putting this on the grill. Okay, now we're going to place our cobia, which we put on aluminum foil. We won't have to turn it. We'll turn the heat up just a little bit, and we'll cook that for about 10, maybe 12 minutes until it's done. Okay, now we're ready to remove our cobia, which we've cooked for about 12 minutes. Slide our spatula underneath. Go right to our plate. And now it's ready to garnish. Maybe some fresh lemon juice, parsley on the side, and serve it with your favorite toppings.